Welcome back to the channel. If you are trading on Deriv and looking for a way to take the emotion out of your trades, you are in the right place. Today, I'm showing you something powerful, PivotCore.net. This isn't just another bot, it's a streamlined, automated trading platform designed specifically for the Deriv ecosystem. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the goal here is consistency. Today, I'm walking you through a live session using the even odd strategy, showing you exactly how automation can work for you. One of the biggest mistakes traders make is overtrading without a plan. That's why I love the customization options here. For this session, my goal is clear and realistic. I'm running 10 trades with a target of 5 wins. In the world of binary options, having a 50% win rate with the right risk management is a solid way to grow your account steadily. You'll see me setting up the parameters on PivotCore. It's incredibly user-friendly. I just select the market, set the even-odd logic, and let the software handle the execution. Watch the execution speed here. The beauty of PivotCore is its precision. While manual trading can lead to delays or revenge trading after a loss, this platform stays disciplined. It follows the math. As we hit our midpoint in these 10 trades, notice how the platform manages the entries. It's built to interface seamlessly with your Deriv account, giving you the professional edge of an algorithmic trader without needing to write a single line of code yourself. And there we have it. 10 trades completed, and we hit our target of 5 wins exactly as planned. This kind of disciplined, automated approach is what separates those who gamble from those who trade. If you're tired of staring at charts all day and want a smarter way to leverage the Deriv markets, you need to check out PivotCore.net. Head over to the site, explore the different strategies available, and start automating your success today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more live trading sessions.